A line is drawn from 0, 0 to the point shown to create an angle A with the positive x-axis. All right, so here's the positive x-axis. I'm going to try to draw a line from there to there, and I had it, and then I blew it, but if I just, make it a nice thick outline, you'll never know that I screwed it up so badly. Okay, so there's my line. Boom. It's called angle A. Boom. Write a ratio for sine A, cos A, and tangent A. Basically, what we're looking at is we're looking at some geometry SOHCAHTOA stuff. But we're trying to get rid of the concept of SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, of course, gives you those trig ratios with opposites and adjacents and hypotenuses, if that's even a word, yada, yada, yada. But let's not memorize that for pre-calc. Now that we're in AP Precalculus, let's try to memorize these instead. Sine of theta, or in this case A, is going to be my y value over my radius. Okay. Sine of, let me get a different color, sine, or rather cosine of A is going to be my x value over my radius, and tangent of A is going to be my y over x. Now, where are these y's and x's coming from? Well, if I were to look at just sine and think of SOHCAHTOA thoughts, SO stands for opposite over hypotenuse. My opposite side is basically how high I go to hit my y value. My hypotenuse is how long my radius is. So this is what I want to memorize for AP Precalculus. Get rid of SOHCAHTOA. All that stuff that your geometry teacher back in the day, ignore it. It's gone. It's dead. Now, what do I know? I know my x value is 1.95. I know my y value is 2.9. Is my r 1? No. My r appears to be 3.5. My r appears to be 3.5. So sine A in this case is going to be my y value, 2.9, over my radius, 3.5, and we'll leave it like that. Cos A is going to be my x value, which is 1.95, over my radius value, which is 3.5. And tangent is going to be my y value, which is 2.9, over my x value, which is 1.95. So you will see this a lot. I'm going to make a lot of videos that look very, very, very similar to this. Watch and like them all. Please, I beg you. Please, I need the money.